Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you catch this video. Let's braid today. Alright, first things first, part the hair. Use a small finger and the ring finger, I believe it's called the ring finger, to measure, just like that. After you're done, you measure again using the same finger. So we are at the bottom, part the hair. So after you do exactly that, you should come up with about 5 knots. I'll show you in a bit exactly how I do it, but basically my tools for today are darling braids. I like them because one packet comes in bulk, and I'll also be using a waxing gel to help keep the hair at the beginning well intact. Alright, to make this hassle free, you will need 2 mirrors. One should be long enough for the back, and the front I'll be using a short mirror. These ones are very common. I'm sure you've seen it out there before. The secret is should be wide enough, and you'll be able to see at the back and the front without any hassle. On the sides, I'll apply the molding wax gel. It can be found at any best lady store. Slowly adding the braid. Here you have to be slow and keen for you to have a clean outcome. Then I'll count up to 10 plaits, then add the second braid. Again, a closer look at the beginning, nice and slow. I mean, who braids fast? Unless you are like the women at Kenyatta Market, look on it chap chap. Time is money. Now on that note is where the hair starts to get a lot, like when you're in the salon and the salonist reaches at the center and you're like, hooray, I'll be done any minute now. Then 1 hour later they haven't finished. I should have split my knot into 2, but I didn't. That is a mistake I did. So from that knot from the back onwards, you'll be splitting the hair into 2 because the hair gets a lot. I am in the 4th knot, so this is how you should be splitting them into 2. Very simple. Just split the center into 2. Fold the split parts, and then now part the hair into equal parts. then braid. Very simple. The last knot, you do the same. I love this length. If you don't like long braids, you can stop at that and finish the ends. If you want it longer, you can feed in another braid. Finally, hot water, the ends of the braids. Damn, why do I say braids like a sheep?